In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google reviews into your Wix website. This is a great way to showcase customer feedback and build trust with potential clients. So let's dive right in and make your website shine with positive reviews. The first thing you need to do is open Google Chrome and log into your Wix account. If you haven't logged in yet, click on the Sign In button at the top right of the homepage and enter your details. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Wix dashboard in front of you. From here, managing all aspects of your website becomes a lot easier. Next, look for the Apps section on the dashboard's left-hand menu. The Apps area is where you can access a wide range of tools and features that can be added to your website to enhance its functionality. Once you've found it, click on it to open up the search functionality. In the search bar, type in Google Reviews. This search will bring up a list of related widgets or apps designed specifically for displaying Google reviews on your site. Take a moment to browse through the options available to you. Each of the apps may have slightly different features, so choose one that seems like a good fit for your needs. Once you've decided on a widget or app, go ahead and proceed with the installation. Installing an app on Wix is quite straightforward. Follow the on-screen instructions, clicking on the relevant buttons to add it to your site. Keep an eye out for any prompts requiring permissions to access certain information, ensuring you grant these accesses so that the app functions correctly. Now, you'll need to connect your Google My Business account. This step is essential because it's what allows the widget to pull in and display your customer reviews. Usually, there will be an option within the app settings to link your Google My Business account. Click on this option, and a pop-up window or redirect to Google's sign-in page will appear. If prompted, carefully enter your Google account details and authorize the connection. Establishing this connection ensures that your reviews are always up to date, offering visitors the latest testimonials from your satisfied customers. With everything connected, it's time to personalize how your reviews will appear on your site. Most widgets offer customization options, allowing you to adjust the display settings like the number of reviews shown, layout style, and color scheme to better match your website's design. Take your time to explore these settings and tailor the look to your liking. Once satisfied, you'll then add the widget to your web page. This process typically involves dragging and dropping the widget to where you want it to appear or embedding it using a code snippet provided by the app. Make sure to place it somewhere strategic like your home page or a testimonials page to maximize visibility. And there you have it. You've successfully added Google reviews to your Wix site, enhancing your online presence with authentic customer feedback. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy website tips.